Hello again. This is Rosa, and I'm gonna go over this short video of how to do the slip stitching for the poppy dress waistband lining. So right here we have our waistband lining, and I've already turned it up a ½ inch, and I pressed it so that I can hide the stitch seam on the inside. So the first thing I do is get my needle and thread, and a little out of the shot right here, but you'll see in just a moment what I'm doing. I inserted the needle with the thread in the very tip of the waistband, and then I grabbed just a tiny bit of the top edge of that waistband lining, and then I grab a little bit from the bottom, just a little bit, so that they hold together. Then again, make another little stitch inside that folded edge, and then on the bottom again. So all that it's doing is closing up that lining so that it doesn't go anywhere. You wouldn't want the lining to come up on you, and you definitely, when you wash the garment, you don't want that inside to come unraveling. So there it is. That's just how it looks. It just holds it all in. And I did a little fast forward and did the whole thing, and this is how it looks now, all closed up. You can't see any of the inside, all of the raw edges are hidden, and now it's a nice smooth waistband lining. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.